Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am Mumfy, and this is my 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. I'm excited to take you guys on a little journey as I continue to mod my truck here. You can kind of see I do have a little bit. We'll go over it. But I just wanted to welcome you guys out and join me on this adventure with this new vehicle. Just a little bit about me. I am circling back to the Toyota family now. This is actually my second Toyota vehicle. My first one was a 2000 Toyota Celica that I did quite a few mods way back in the day when Fast and Furious was, I think, the very first one was coming out. So I did get it heavy into the import scene, had a lot of that going on, and modded the crap out of that. So it does need a little bit of love and care right now, and that's one of the other projects that I have going on. Let me just take you around my current vehicle, the 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road, and just what I have done to it so far. So I did pick it up out of state. That's number one, because right now with everything that's been going on, everybody's got the coof, or not everybody, but that's kind of the main thing that's going on right now. So what we're doing is basically I had to get it out of state because nobody here in Utah actually had it. The vehicle, the package and everything that I wanted, color, options, all that, I ended up finding it out of state. So with that, I had to run up to Idaho to get it. And the folks at Edmark Toyota hooked me up with a great deal and some awesome options from them. So what I did get is the Nitto Ridge Grappler tires with the TRD rims. I also got the Bilstein 5100 lift kit, which is a 3-inch lift kit, so 3 inches in the front. I believe it's 2.5 or 2-inch block in the back to give it the level kit. So excited about that. The other options that I wanted was to make sure that I had the LED headlights. The tech package was kind of optional. And some of the more upgraded stuff was all negotiable for me. But because of this vehicle that I found up in Idaho, it came with dual climate control and the tech package. And that's what ultimately got me sold on this truck right here. I also love the cement color. So I am looking at kind of building out an overlanding rig with this. So I'll bring you along with the other modifications that I end up doing, and just enjoying the ride, finding trails that I can actually take this thing off and just enjoy more of the scenery, like what you see in the background. I mean, how can you not enjoy the view? And I want to get more of this and a bit more off-road, so I don't want to keep this as a mall crawler. So join me. Thanks, and look forward to more mods to the truck. Peace.